In this video, I will teach you how to fix the Roblox chat features are currently unavailable in your region. So if you want to fix this, you just need to head over to your roblox.com on your browser, and from in there, you can see in here your actual website. Click onto this gear icon, then from in there, click onto this settings, and you should be able to see in here your account settings right there. So for this, you can see your account information, login methods, as well as your account location. So this one is the very thing that's vital. Account location right now is Philippines, so you can see if your actual region is actually supported to the chat. So typically, it's usually supported on US. So in there, you just need to actually change your account location. To do that, head over to the actual help page of your Roblox. You can click onto these three lines. Then from in there, you can head over to the help, or you can also click onto this gear icon again, click onto this help and safety. Then what we need to do is we just need to contact the Roblox support. So for this case, you can head over to your help center, click on this. Then after that, scroll down and locate the contact us option with your Roblox support. You can choose in here Roblox account. And then in here you can see some options in order to do that. Let's search in here for location. Click on this right there. We have in here this. Also have some other options. So just continue talking to the Roblox support in order to fix this. So that's how you fix the chat features unavailable in your region. Hope we helped.